Well, welcome back. Today we are in beautiful Fort Lauderdale on a wonderful day. Looking at a 65-foot Fairline 1997. This is a Squadron model. Boat has definite positives and negatives. One of the positives is that it has freshly rebuilt MAN 1100 horsepower engines with about 10 to 20 hours on them. This is what was the more highly desirable model that stored the tender up top. This is a 3-stateroom, 3-head boat, and it has crew quarters aft. The outside is a little rougher than the inside. This is a 66-foot, 10-inch length overall with a 17-foot, 4-inch beam and only a 4-foot, 9-inch draft. Has a 20 kW generator, bow thruster, new AC compressor. The bottom was just done, and it has new underwater lights. You can see at one point in its life, it had the teak stained. So once you do that, you have to keep up on that. The upholstery was redone, and probably getting redone again. Let's hop on board here. See the teak. The upholstery back here. Crew quarters are back under this. Plenty of storage, nice ample walk-arounds on both sides. You have aft controls. Nice high railing. You have a ladder aft to get to the flybridge, as well as interior stairs. Good headroom, and he has this canvas enclosure back here, the camper back. All the way around, I don't know what condition that is in. The interior's been gone through. Let's go inside. The AC works great, thankfully. The floor has been redone. Originally came carpeted. The walls and the ceiling fabrics have been redone. Often you'll find boats of this era that there's some sagging in this fabric, and there's none here. This is all nice and tight, new. The half-rounded sofa is in good shape, and the floor is good. You have a little love seat on this side. The upholstery is good on that. I have a flat screen here on top, and plenty of storage. Going up 3 steps, we get to the ladder to go to the flybridge, and we'll do that later. But we have a nice big dinette on the Fairline. Then to starboard side, we have the galley. Double sink, stove, oven, dishwasher, trash compactor, plenty of storage. It has access to the pilot house. Back out to the salon. The upholstery on this dinette is in great shape. Table's good. The walls, all these originally were upholstery that were adhered to the walls. Had a tendency to start sagging, and they got rid of all that with just wooden walls. This boat has a bow thruster. There's some crazing on the window over here and on the starboard side as well. See it right up in there, up in the top as well. Losing some of the fall covering on the helm. I kind of like it like this better, to tell you the truth, but that's me. Older electronics, 5212 Garmin's, Fairline radar. Nice upholstery on the captain's seats. Go down below. All the way aft is the master. A washer dryer combo unit in this cabinet here. Master is a queen size berth offset to the aft starboard corner. The nice large settee to the port aft. corner. Nice big walk-in closet. I kept these lamps off. Nice huge head with a bidet. Double sink. Bathtub with shower. Up 2 steps here. Another closet here. Moving forward, we have the guest stateroom with twin side by side. Continued with the wooden floor. Good storage, their own stereo, little TV in here for them. And an en-suite head with a shower. All the way forward, we have a queen island berth in the bow. Windows to both sides, hanging lockers to both sides. Nice dress mirror here. With an en-suite head. With their own shower. Inside of this boat's not bad. Again, the walls and the headliner, all good. Boat's been completely gone through in that respect. I'm not going to go down into the engine room or the crew quarters. I can take stills of those if you like. Let's go up top here. I uncovered some of the upholstery in the helm station. And it's, we can use a little. Helm, again, you have a 5212 Garmin Veruno radar, bow thruster controls. Seating up here, upholstery up here needs attention. The table as well. You can see it's a little bit loose right here. These aren't ripped up, but I like the two-tone color. You see, I didn't uncover this whole thing. You have the barbecue here, sink, good storage beneath. It's all non-skid up here, which needs to be repainted. You can see it's getting thin. Have it with a little 12 inflatable. I'm 6'1" and I clear the headroom here. For the price, it's a pretty good deal. At 10 hours on demand, 1100s. Inside's comfortable. Outside you can use some attention. I'm not going to go up to the bow either, but you have a nice sun pad up forward. Good space up there. And this one World Yachts here in Fort Lauderdale on a 65 Fairline Squadron. We're out.